Hello. My name is Logan Smith. We are going to go on a worldwide adventure. My name is Sneaker Bottoms, and we're going on a worldwide adventure. Let's start. Okay, first, what are we searching for again, Sergeant? Oh, you have a bouquet right there. Sorry about that. Let's keep on going. Now I remember what we're looking for. The gnomes. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ooh, is that golf? Yeah. Hey, look at what I found. I think the lawn gnomes were eating. Uh-oh. What's going on around me? What is this? Wait, nothing in there. Whoa, there's gone on nothing to fuck up. Hey, I found one of his guns. And a phone. But wait, they broke it. Bang, 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 bang.
Left in the sand.
Dun, dun.
I hear birdies!
Sorry, I get a little overexcited. Do you see any gnomes?
Let's check in here.
Oh, yeah.
Dude!
Don't get constipated, Sergeant. I see one. I see one.
Sergeant,
stop laughing. I see one. Where? Outside, man. Yay! Wake up! Hey, what the heck?
It's a TV!
I know, I guess they're watching TV. I guess they just have to have their out entertainment. Quit laughing, Sergeant.
I'm the recorder.
You're not supposed to talk in the recording. This is a worldwide investigation. Let's go, Sergeant. Where? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold on a minute, I'll be back.
Go, 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 go. Okay, let's go.
What do you think I'm doing?
Thought you were going to get the lawn now. Go do that. Just...
No, I don't need to go. Not anymore.
Oh, dude, Sergeant.
What about up there?
Let's go. Sorry, I'm a little out of shape.
No, I have energy. By
Awesome. Oh, God.
Shut up, Sergeant. I'm gonna have to blur that out. See any lawn gnomes?
I see another stick.
Run! Okay, now we're running.
Wait, let's go back. Let's go forward.
Hold on.
We don't care about your stupid phone, Sergeant.
Hello.
No, let me take the video. How's it going, Chris?
What's up, man?
Let's go investigate.
Give me the phone. Stupid phone. I'm not answering you anymore. Am I talking to you now?
Yeah.
It's my camera, so.
It's a plastic, the Coke. Oh. No! Our satellite spy! How are we gonna talk to President Obama? I don't know. Well, we don't always know. Well, let's keep on going on.
Whose jacket?
Oh,
Oh,
it's I think the lawn gnomes are babies. Because they had to put a jacket.
Whose jacket is that? Chris. Not mine. I don't know how to put black jacket.
Stop the video.
Go.
Sergeant, let's go. Okay, quit smacking the wheel. Ah, like that. Ah. There it is!
There's only one now.
Where's the oh my gosh!
I see him. Let me go zoom in on him.
Let's go. It looks like they've been turning the stone. What happened? Uh-oh. I think the stone monster is here. Cut the video. We'll make a part soon.